welcome to TMMK Fitness at Home. Today we are going to present another in the kitchen recipe. We're going to be making cranberry cream cheese spread.
Oh, Sarah, what are you making?
Well, hey there, Coach Alana. We're going to make a cranberry cream cheese spread.
Oh, well, do you need some help?
I would like some help. That would
Awesome.
be great. If you could stick around,
Yeah.
that'd be great. She's just wanting to snack on what I'm about to make because it's going to be delicious. Anytime that you use cream cheese for something, it's good, right?
Oh, yeah.
But we got to make it a little bit healthy. So
We got the third less fat. Okay,
Mhm.
good.
yeah, so we're going to be putting this recipe in the comments below, and the nutrition facts will be there as well. So this is super simple. All you need is a reduced fat cream cheese, just one package. You need some dried cranberries, also known as craisins, and then also some dried apricots. And then you need some orange zest, which you can make on your own with an orange peel, but I decided to just buy it, so that's what we did.
Add a little sprinkle in there.
So while Elena is chopping up some of our fruit, I'm going to go ahead and add my softened cream cheese to my mixing bowl here. You also need assorted crackers for this as well. So one cream cheese. As far as the fruit goes, you need a half a cup of each of those. And let's see. So we're good with the apricots. Yummy, yummy.
We need more.
Let's see if we got a half a cup of craisins there.
I think we're good there.
All right, cool. So throw that in there. So we just we hand sliced those, but you could use you have a Ninja,
yeah,
right?
I have a Ninja, and it's
Mhm.
great because you can just put the blades in, it'll chop it right up. So that way, if you want a little bit more of a smooth texture versus kind of like a chunky, which totally your preference, what you prefer, or even like a NutriBullet, those are great. I love my Ninja. Can pretty much do anything with it, so it's great to really get those fine textures in there.
She's not paid for this advertisement. A teaspoon of the orange zest. Put that in there. Yummy, yummy. And that's going to make it just have a little extra kick. All right. This on a little bit. So, and then you're just going to blend these together. All right. Just use your spatula to kind of scrape down the sides a little bit. Get it mixed in there real well. I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, I love the assorted cracker option as well.
Yeah.
Kind of really pull up those tastes.
Like a sweet and salty. So this will be really good around the holidays, especially if you just need to whip up something quick for your family.
So it was like the sweet version of a cheese ball kind of.
Yeah.
Cream cheese. So
Yeah.
get the
I think
both
so.
options.
All right, we'll give it just another little twirl here in the mixer. All right. So, oh, it smells good. I can smell that orange
Ooh, yeah.
zest, deliciousness.
I honestly have to say I've never used orange zest in a recipe before, but I'm excited to try it.
Yeah, I don't know that I have either. I don't claim to be a big fancy cook though. Is orange zest fancy? Is that a fancy thing?
Well, especially if you get a nice little peel and a little
Mhm.
sprinkle on there.
Oh, true.
Yeah. But
Right.
that's fancy right there, Sarah. I've got the Santa.
Look at that. I like to be festive. I like to be festive. Okay, so we have our assorted crackers here. I have no idea what all these flavors are. So I'm just gonna pick one and give it a whirl here. So, another thing I find interesting is that, I'll give you that one. Whenever you have like a cheese ball or a dip or something, the serving size, keep this in mind, is always gonna be 2 tablespoons. That's not a whole lot.
It's not very fair.
But when you're trying to be a little bit good around the holidays, if you are trying to be good, just keep that in mind too.
Sorry, Sarah, don't wait.
That's okay. What do you think?
I like it.
Mmm.
Definitely
That's good.
definitely the cracker gives it that nice little salty, but it's not as sweet as you think it would be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was kind of wondering, about that. You are supposed to chill it before you serve it, but we don't have time for that. This is so good. All right, so we're gonna put the recipe in the comments below. The nutrition facts will be down there too. Hope you guys enjoy it.